friends, how are you all? So, today's story is no. First, I want to talk to you all. Wanted to tell you that you all are doing a very great job. All of you all. My smart friends, I know you are taking care of yourselves and also of cleanliness. Right? We will not be talking about that. Let mamas do their job. We will talk about ourselves. So, tell me if you are liking the stories. What or which stories you want to hear? Anything new if you did today or any day you want to share with your friends? Fine. Now, let's start our story. Yes. Today's story has been taken from A and B. Understood? Yes. Akbar and Birbal's tale. You must be knowing about Birbal, right? He was one of the 9 gems in Akbar's court, and he was known for his wit and cleverness. He was very clever and intelligent. The title of our story today is Child of a Pot. Child of a Pot. Child of a Pot? Let's see how. Once upon a time, there was a merchant who was not only great miser, but greedy and dishonest too. The citizens of the town approached Birbal and complained against him. He was a trader of utensils. Utensils means बर्तन. वो बर्तन बेचता था. Who extorted much more money for his pots than their real cost. All the citizens joined together and approached Birbal in the court with their plea. They said, Diwanji, please teach a lesson to this cunning, wicked, who is also a cheat. Birbal thought of taking up some action against the merchant. He went to his shop and purchased 1, 2, 3 vessels from him. Few days later, Birbal went to the trader with a small vessel and said, Your vessel has given birth to this small vessel. You may keep it with you. The trader was very glad. How silly, he didn't understood. He kept the small pot willingly. A few days later, Birbal again went to the same shop, yes, with a large vessel, and said, I don't like the vessels. I wish to return them and take back the money I paid for it. The trader looked angrily this time and said, But, Huzur, you have brought only 1 vessel, whereas I sold 3 vessels to you. Birbal replied, 2 of the 3 vessels are dead. The trader replied sharply, Come on, I'm not the one to be fooled. How can you say that the vessel died? It is impossible. Why not? When they can give birth to another vessels, then certainly it can also die. The shopkeeper had to agree with Birbal and return his money. Birbal taught a tough lesson to the trader, and in future he never dared to cheat anyone. I think and hope you all like the story. Friends, now let's take a look what our little cute Kashyapi has to show us today.
Hello friends, how are you all? My name is Kashyapi and I am 5 years old and I play my clay set Bye bye. Bye bye.
Fantastic, Kashyapi. The fruit basket looks very yummy and colorful. Thanks for sharing that. Creating objects with clay or other means can also give you great joy when you are indoors for a while. Bye bye. Take care. Ta-da.